Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable BitLocker drive encryption on Windows 11 easy tutorial step by step clearly. To enable BitLocker drive encryption on Windows 11, start by clicking on the Start menu. Type Control Panel in the search bar and press Enter. In the Control Panel window, locate and click on System and Security. Next, find and select BitLocker drive encryption. You will see a list of your drives. Select the drive you want to encrypt. Click on the Turn on BitLocker link next to the selected drive. The BitLocker setup process will now begin. You may need to wait a moment while Windows checks the system for compatibility. Once the compatibility check is complete, choose how you want to unlock the drive. You can select Use a password to unlock the drive or use My Smart Card. If you choose the password option, enter a strong password and confirm it. Click Next to proceed. Next, choose how you want to back up your recovery key. You can save it to your Microsoft account, a USB drive, a file, or print it out. Select your preferred backup method and click Next. Now, decide whether to encrypt the used disk space or the entire drive. Encrypting the used space is quicker, while encrypting the entire drive is more secure. Select your option and click Next. At this stage, confirm your encryption settings. When you are ready, click Start Encrypting. The encryption process may take some time depending on the size of the drive. You can continue to use your computer while the encryption is in progress. Once encryption is complete, you will see a confirmation message. Your drive is now protected with BitLocker encryption. Remember to keep your recovery key in a safe place for future access. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.